YT viewers! It's me again, Carla D. So, it's been a while since nakapag-post ako dito sa YT. I've been so busy sa work and at the same time, may ginagawa akong marami. But anyways, today, honestly, I really miss riding. Like riding my motorcycle. It's been a while. I got a new motorcycle. So, dati I got Harley Davidson. And then, that was too heavy for me. So, bumili ako ng Honda Rebel. I think that was a 200cc. But that one is kinda old looking. It's not a badass motorcycle. But now, just a couple of months ago, a couple of months ago, I bought a new Honda Rebel. It's color black, which I'm gonna show you guys later. I love it, but I just I rode it for only like a few times around the block. So hindi ko talaga masyadong na-enjoy because as you can see, look it's winter outside. There's a lot of snow, so it's impossible to ride. Okay? Ipapakita ko lang sa inyo yung Honda Rebel ko. So, this I really miss riding. Actually, this is brand new. Like, a couple of months only, binili ko. Na-ride ko lang to ng mga 3-4 times around the block. But, this one, it's much lighter compared to my old Harley Davidson, which actually natumba ako dito because when I stopped, na-lose yung balance ko. So, sa sobrang bigat, yun, nasugatan ako. So, I decided to stop using Harley Davidson and I went ahead and looked at Honda, which is much lighter and I could easily maneuver it. Alright, here you go, my beautiful Honda Rebel. So, this is the view from the inside of my house. Papakita ko lang sa inyo na winter right now, so it's really impossible to ride. Ride ka at your own risk. Parang engot ka na siguro pag nag-ride ka ng winter. But mind you, there are some people who does, yung talagang mga addicted riding. But I don't know. That's crazy. So, right now, ipapakita ko lang sa inyo yung mga gear na ginagamit ko sa pagra-ride. You know, you can see a lot of people like outside riding their motorcycle na nakasando lang or naka-shorts or even without tops. Honestly, it would be wonderful to do that, like wearing this, like looking sexy and everything. But the first thing that you have to think before even riding is your safety. Presence of mind and your safety. Hindi ka nagra-ride just because to display yourself para maging sexy and everything. You ride to enjoy. To enjoy like the wind, to enjoy the scenery. Hindi para like, look at me, I'm riding and I look sexy. No, not like that. Kung ganyan ang state of mind nyo, wag na lang kayong mag-ride. Alright, enough for that. So, ipapakita ko lang sa inyo yung mga gadgets ko when I ride. I have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Actually, there's supposed to be 6 helmets. I don't know where the other one is. I can't find it anymore. But, the first ever helmet that I bought is this white one. I love this white one. I mean, may shade siya sa loob and then it really fits me well. I love it. But, you know, as time goes by and you continue to ride, you want more and more. So, I bought another one. I bought a combination of red and black. In the past, I really just wanted red because red is my favorite color. So I was like, but black is a badass color, so I said, okay, let me go ahead and buy red and black. So I used it also. I like it, but this one is a full helmet. This is what they call full helmet. But eventually, naging medyo maluwag. But I still use it. It's still good. But of course, pag nagra-ride ka, you have a helmet, it has to be like well-fitted sa head mo. Next one, this. This, I love the design. It's pink and there's a skull. And this, the shade, actually is, what you call that? Yung hindi nagpa-fog, non-fog helmet or shield. So, kahit na, siguro, and of course, pag nag-ride ako, balot na balot ako because I don't want my face to be exposed sa sun. This one, it really helped me with the sun. It really helped me with the fog, so hindi foggy. Ayan, maganda. Badass din ang itsura. I love it. So, this, I'm still using all of those, don't get me wrong. And then this, my ladybug helmet, which I use a lot. But since this is like parang half lang, so I'm still looking for more. Because if you have a full helmet, yun talagang safe ka. I mean, hindi ko sinasabing you're not gonna have injury, but of course, it's gonna be at least less injury. Well, you have to be careful though in riding. We don't want any accidents, but kaya nga tawag accident because hindi mo masasabi. Last but not the least, this one is very expensive. I did not use it yet. Anti-fog din to. Oh my gosh, I did not even use it yet, pero may mga marks na sa shield. So I'm just gonna clean that one up, no problem. Actually, the story of this one is supposed to be black, like all black, and then this is gold. But then, nung dumating yung black, ang in-order ko kasi is small. When I tried to fit it, I cannot even get it in my head. I usually wear small helmet, but that helmet, it's not fitting my head. So, nagpunta kami sa gear, and nakita ko to. So, in exchange ko siya. This one is really beautiful though. We'll see. I haven't used this talaga. So, we'll see if it's going to be comfortable. It's pretty heavy, pero sana ma-handle ng maliit kong leg. Alright? So, eto pa yung mga iba kong gadgets. This jacket. It's, kung pipindutin nyo or if you touch it, may mga hard parts sa shoulder, dito, especially sa likod. This is actually a really riding jacket, which may mga small holes, which is breathable, so it's not gonna be too hot. Because, you know, when you ride 100 degrees, 80 degrees Fahrenheit outside, it's gonna get so freaking hot. So this will help actually. Now this one, never used it, just like my helmet. I bought this with a helmet, never used it. Again, hard parts, the back, the shoulder, the elbow parts, because yun yung mga parts na you know, pag nagkaroon ka ng accident, yun yan talagang yung mga bony prominences na pwedeng ma-break sa'yo. So, this one, of course, again, I said, it's not that you will not have injury, it's just that it will lessen the injury. But let's pray to God that that will never happen. I got two jackets here, which I used to wear like all the time. I'm not kidding. Every time I ride, these are the jackets that I wear. So it's really, it looks so old now, but I love it. The thing here is wala yung mga protective na device para mo protektahan ako unlike those two. But I still like using it and I will still use it. So friends, I'm done with the helmets, with the jackets. I showed it to you. So next one is gloves. Very important. Again, meron dito mga protective areas over here. Yung mga bony prominences para pag yun nga, nag-crash. I really don't want to say that word because wala yan sa vocabulary ko. I don't want to think about it. But, yeah, not just in case, but ito yung mga protective gadgets para mag-ride ka. So, last but not the least, yung GoPro. Pag nagra-ride ka, you wanted to see, of course, ayaw mong, sometimes kasi pag nagra-ride ka, ang focus mo yung road, hindi yung mga scenery. May enjoy mo lang yung scenery pag nakahinto ka na and stuff like that. But, kung ayaw mong makita at kung gusto mong ma-enjoy, makita mo yung sceneries habang nagra-ride ka, eto, i-record mo lahat. It's really nice. Na-try ko na to and it's a wow. It's an experience actually. So, kasi na-record mo lahat ng mga experiences mo. So, pag in the near future, pag hindi ka na nagra-ride, mapapanood mo dito kasi naka-record lahat and it's a really good memory. So, friends, that's all. I'm gonna show it to you, this segment. So, I hope you guys enjoy my gadgets and I hope you like my motorcycle, which I do love. So, anytime you have any questions in regards to riding, I'm not really that good yet. I'm nasa beginner pa lang ako ng riding, but hindi naman ako yung tipong talagang hindi marunong, but I do ride nasa the street. So kung may mga questions kayo, if you guys wanted to learn, just hit me up, just ask questions, okay? So thank you so much for riding with me and I'll see you next time, guys. Bye!